the circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel. So it's cylinder shape, and its height is that. How many liters of water can it hold? And this is given, that's useful. For every 1000 centimeter cube, it is 1 liter. So let's begin our calculation. First thing first, let me talk about this. You need not write in the exam. It's only for understanding. If you're sure of things, then good. If not, always write a diagram. So here we have the height, which is very clear. That there's 100 by 4 centimeter. Right? My policy, convert 25 to 100 by 4. We need radius to find the volume, because end of it they're asking volume. So we need radius, but they're not given radius. How will we go about doing this? What they've given is, they've given circumference of the base. That is nothing but the same thing at the top as well. So with this information, how can we find the radius? Right, with all of this information, how can we find the radius? How can we find the volume? That's the main question. Radius is part of it. The overall question is, how can we find the volume? So by the time I write the given part, you guys should figure out how will we find the radius, because that's how we'll find the volume. So circumference of the base is 132 centimeter. Then we have the height, which is 25 centimeter. I'll rewrite this as 100 by 4 centimeter. And we need to find volume of the tank in liters. Okay, that's very important. Don't end up just by writing in centimeter cube. Now the working, which will begin with what? Finding the radius. So here height is given good. Circumference is an extra information which is not directly related to volume, but it has to be indirectly related. How is it indirectly related? Because it links the radius. It is linked to the radius. Find the radius from this and you are done. So we have circumference of the circle, which is given by pi r square, and we have 132, which is equal to 22 by 7 into radius that we need to find. Oh sorry, this is not pi r square, this is 2 pi r. Into 22 by 7 into r. So 11 2s are 11, 12s are 2 into 2 is 4, 4 1s are 4, 3s are. So we have 3 is equal to r by 7. Actually this step is not required, I'm just showing so that you guys don't confuse any. So we'll multiply with 7. So r is equal to 21 centimeter. So this way of calculating things makes it very clear. You know, multiplying and dividing and everything, both the sides. Or if you want to cancel this way, you can do the same. And now, volume of the tank, which is a cylinder. So this is given by area of circle into the height. And this is 22 by 7 into the radius, which is 21 into 21 into the height. Okay, so now it's just a matter of calculating. 2s are 11s are, so this is 33 into 10.5 into 100. How did I get 10.5? Because it's easier to divide 1 and this. And now it's just a matter of multiplying 33 into 1050. So 33 into 105 is 34650. 34650 is your end answer. That's correct. So many centimeter cube, sorry. And we have to convert it to liter, remember? So for that, we'll start off with the statement that for every 1000 centimeter cube, we have a liter. For every 34650 centimeter cube, how many liters do we have? So this is just a matter of crisscrossing, and we have 34650 by 1000, 1010 and 2 decimals, so 34.65 liters. It can hold 34.65 liters of water, and this is your answer.